Today we are going to learn how to book a table in a restaurant. First of all, we must recognize that different people have different tastes and choose different restaurants to eat in. Typically, we separate restaurants like this: cheap and expensive, quick and slow, or simple and luxurious. Officially, restaurants are divided into several different types: bistro, cafe, cafeteria or staff canteen, fast food, food truck, pizzeria, restaurant buffet, sandwich bar. Before booking a table, you should choose the type of restaurant. You already know some of them. Today, we're going to learn another one. It's a steakhouse. A steakhouse is a restaurant specializing in steaks and grilled meat. This type of restaurant usually offers steaks of beef and pork, as well as poultry and lamb. The meat is usually served with vegetables and roast potatoes. Tom and his parents are going to celebrate Tom's father's birthday. If you've chosen a restaurant where waiters serve you, you should be able to book a table there and order your food when you arrive. Tom's dad is going to book a table. Let's study the way he talks to the host to arrange their meal.
Good morning. I'd like to book a table, please.
Certainly. When would you like it for?
For Friday afternoon at 3 p.m.
Friday, May the 15th, 3 p.m. For how many people?
There will be 3 of us.
Okay. What name should I book the table under?
Jack Brown.
Will you spell your surname, please?
Sure. B-R-O-W-N.
Thank you. Could I have your contact number?
Certainly. It's 649-252-93.
So that's a table for 3 on Friday, May 15th at 3 in the afternoon. Thank you, Mr. Brown.
Thank you.
I'm sure Tom will have a great time. Now let's learn to have a correct and polite conversation, because this skill will help you book a table in a restaurant one day and become polite people.